Oh my gosh. Dude, that is like so freaking scary. Oh my gosh. I don't like this.
Hey, you cool cats. Oh, and what you got there?
Monowheel.
A unicycle. Monowheel.
So we're going on a walking tour. There's an app that goes through all the audio of each of the places. We just started. It is amazing. Great thing to use in Boston. This is the guy that said taxation without representation is tyranny.
This kid makes it look easy.
Some oysters. Let's do it, Rubies. How was it, Ems?
Good. Slimy.
Slimy. Owen?
I don't know how to eat it.
Hey, Ruby. Put a smile on his face.
I don't know what to do. Salty and lemony. That's weird.
Put a lot of taco sauce on it.
Pretty good?
Oh yeah.
What do you think, Rubies?
It's very slimy.
But good?
Yeah.
It's pretty wild being in America's oldest restaurant. Just being around here, learning about the history and stuff is so cool to just think of the many people that have walked before us to provide our freedoms and fight for our freedoms here in America. It's a pretty huge blessing. So yesterday, I didn't say anything about this, but we went to the Boston Tea Party Museum and tour, and that was so cool. It's a must-see if you're in the Boston area, but just, that was the first pivotal moment of saying we're separating ourselves in America, and there's so many people that made so many huge sacrifices and for our freedoms so that we can have what we have today. So super grateful.
We're going to the USS Constitution. Apparently, it's the oldest United States warship still afloat. You can tour the boat.
Can you believe it?
Yeah, that's so sweet.
It's part of the Freedom Trail, but we didn't get to do it yesterday.
Cool. Let's see it, Ribs.
Okay.
Yeah, just hit it.
Okay, let's go. Okay, hold on, baby.
Sorry. Here we are, Harvard. It's where the cool kids come. Hey,
Yeah?
how's the burgers?
Good.
It's so good.
We just ate at Gordon Ramsay. What was awesome about it?
Probably the onion rings.
Yeah.
And
Onion rings were amazing. What else, Kirby?
The milkshake.
Milkshake.
It was actually surprising. It was very, very good. We're excited. We just booked I was just randomly looking at flights, and our friend Roni, we just booked a flight for him, and he's coming out here tonight, or he'll be here early in the morning. So we're super excited.
This is living on a boat.
Roni made it. Let's quick turnaround. We got Roni! Can you believe you're in Boston?
I can, no.
Well, welcome. Goodbye, Boston. So fun.
So we are just about to Cape Cod Canal, and we'll be there in like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, but super excited to go through it. We watched a little History Channel video on it, and it is pretty amazing what a strategic war thing it was, and just how much it's helped shipping on the East Coast in the early days. Because given that there's warm water and cool water that mix here, it creates a lot of weather out at the end of Cape Cod. And so anyway, they built this, and it's, I forget, so many, there's tons of boats that go through there every day, but I was shocked how many go through it on a daily basis. So pretty cool feat.
What's it called? Cape Cod. Cape Canaveral or Cape Cod?
It's pretty cool. It's crazy. There's like a 2.5 knot current at the moment, and we didn't time it perfectly, so it should here in about 45 minutes start going it'll start going the other way in about an hour, so that will be good. So this is all just from the current right here. Sorry. This is our first bridge that we've gone under. So our mast is 78 feet from the water line, and this is like 130 feet, but it's still scary.
Hello.
It's crazy. We're going 4.7 knots. I haven't changed the motors at all, but before we came in the canal, we were going 7 knots. So it's pretty wild to be pushed this much. Oh my gosh, dude, that is like so freaking scary. Oh my gosh, I don't like this. That's not cool. I like the open ocean way better.
I don't like that.
So this is for trains, and it lowers down 3 to 4 times a day. Oh.
So cool. Roni,
Yep.
how's your first sail?
Very, very fun.
Good.
And I'm very glad I didn't get sick.
Yeah, it's awesome. Black Dog Tavern. Look at that thing.
That's like the full.
Wow. It's so good. Wow. So we just started cruising around Martha's Vineyard and it is so cool. Such a cute little place.
Mid-afternoon crash. Look how we're so symmetrical with this.
All on.
Yeah! Wow.
Get out of the way.
We're going now?
Yeah, let's go.
Oh no!
Dad, no way.
He's letting me.
Come on, Dad. Come
Oh
on.
my gosh, Dad.
Dad, make it come back.
Oh, there he goes.
Come on. Yes.
They
No.
are sliding.
Where am I sliding?
He's already twisted.
Is it going to go anymore?
No, man.
Yes.
Go on, Dad.
Oh, it's come back.
He's 22. 3.
3. Keep laughing and then kiss it. Like, yeah.
Don't make me laugh.
Yes! 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 No.
Oh,
that was
my
rough.
gosh.
What did you say? Jeez, no wonder you didn't want to do this. This is...
No wonder.
No. No.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I'm 42-year-old against a 23-year-old.
My arm's so
Oh,
dead.
look at that.